Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a card that not added in Apple Pay. For example, if you try to add your card in your Apple ID, Apple Pay, and after that you see this kind of error, card not added. Contact your card issuer for more information or set up later. So as it is written, you have to simply contact your card issuer that your card does support Apple Pay or not. So if they confirm that your card support Apple Pay, then you can simply set up later. And after that, if the problem is still there, then you can simply wait for some time, and after that you can simply add your card to Apple Pay again. And after doing all the things, if the problem is still there, then you can simply open Safari here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Apple support here, or Apple Pay support, and after that you have to simply provide the solution of the problem to Apple Sport, and you have to search for the problem here in Apple Sport, because they will provide you many problem solution in Apple Sport or Apple discussion. So in this way you can simply look for the problem in Apple Sport, and they will help you in a better way. If the problem is still there, you can simply again try to add your card to the Apple Pay, and you have to check again and again, and after some time your card will be added to your Apple Pay. If the problem is still there, then you can simply return your card to your card issuer and ask for the card that can support Apple Pay. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.